Nagkarga.
First session, pinagpala.
Si Pastor Kalaban.
Unang puntos para kay number 27. Figueroa. Pass to De La Cruz. 2 points para kay De La Cruz. 27. Another 2 points. Ang napapanood ko lang si Arca sa hapon. Number 13, 2 points.
Nice pass.
2 points para kay number 12. Points. 2 points again. Pass to number 5 for 3. It's good. Vincent Mercado. 2 points. 28. To number 31. Umikot. Tandang move. Bartolome. To Coach 8. Pira yun. Rebound by 31. Vincent Libre, 2 points. Arca, 50 seconds. 10 to shoot. Arca, 2 points. To number 22 to Vincent. And one. May kasama pang foul. Foul by number 5. Bartolome. Side step. Rebound number 28. Pass to number 0. Mercado. Pass to number 31. Estamera. Esther. 31 to Birds. It's number 10 to Vincent. Naarami na. For 3. And okay na? Good. Foul counted for Estimeral. Number 12, 2 points. CG Vizcan, 2 points. Pass to Vizcan. Done. Number 5, 2 points. Lamang na po, change paper. Shoot. Venturina. Using the body language. 2 points. Balik ang kalamangan. Pero may pass break. Number 22. Pinawi agad. Standby substitution. Number 0. Number 22 sa gilid. Arca. Separation. Arca. Pull up. 2 points by Arca. JL, tumatak mo na. JL, Venturina. Balik ang kalamangan sa pinag... Turn, saksalaksak. Challenge by number 26. Number 13, lumipad na naman. Nilinis pa. Balik ang kalamangan. Venturina. Up.
Guys, lamang ang kalaban, ang pinagpala. May traveling. Ayan. Bang.
2 points. Number 13 to number 22, 2 points. Apat na. Venturina. Rebound 26. Last 1 minute.